So I'm Richard Hall. I'm the chairman of FoodBev Media, which produces Refreshment magazine. I'm also chairman of Zenith Global, which covers the industry's statistics and research, as well as providing consulting services. Well, I've been invited to present the latest findings on how the UK water dispense market has been going in 2022, what the trends are and what the implications are. Well, we've worked with the WHA and its predecessors for the whole of the last 30 years, really since the industry was in its infancy, and we've provided market analysis as well as consulting services to companies wanting to grow, wanting to sell, wanting to find extra distribution support and expand. So we've produced a 10-page short market summary report for the industry and for industry members, for WHA members. And essentially what we found is that the industry has come out of COVID successfully, in better shape than it went into COVID. But growth is slow. The industry is changing shape. Obviously, people haven't returned fully to offices and so on. So there's a lot going on that people will want to find out more about the numbers so that they can take actions that will improve their business prospects. So in terms of the main trends from the market at the moment, point of use has overtaken bottled water dispensers in the last couple of years and is gradually gaining share. Integrated tap systems are now building their share up from 9% to 11% over the last 5 years and still growing. And then there are other things coming up, widening the sort of opportunities for dispense. And home use of dispensers is one of the new emerging stories. I think the pandemic has made us more conscious of our health and well-being, mental as well as physical, and I think we are becoming as a society more aware of sustainability. And all those are trends in favour of good hydration and in terms of returnability and reusability and refillability. So those are factors in the industry's favour, but we haven't got economic stability, we've had lots of disruption, supply chains, as well as economic and inflation. So it's a difficult environment, but all the big issues are pointing in the direction of good hydration. We are still underhydrated, we don't look after ourselves as well as we should, and we may eat too much. So there's a lot of opportunity still in the sector. It's good to see everyone back. It's good to see everyone back in bigger numbers. The atmosphere is very buoyant and the opportunities are very strong. I think one thing that's really important and stand out for this industry is that it's not a product industry, it's a service industry. And it's services to businesses and consumers generally that's really most important. And it's providing and enhancing that service. And I think that even if the volume growth isn't so substantial as the industry matures, the opportunity to give extra value to customers and consumers is still very much there. One thought I have about hydration is that all hydration is good. Clearly, some people would prefer a natural source waters, others might prefer tap water. This industry provides filtered water as well as a range of other purified opportunities. And I think all of them are good. We all should be hydrating more by and large. Most of us don't hydrate enough. And so I think that's possibly the most important thing. The other thing is some people say that water isn't that interesting. And there are lots of opportunities in adding flavour and functionality to water. However, I still think that good, straightforward, plain water really is good and better for us.